Well, this is Sharifa just nailed it, and it is SheModern Saturday. As you see before us, we have some of the gel inks out. I have them in my acrylic holder here. Whoopsie. As you see, I have done 8 nails without you, just trying different colors, different variations, some without the cell, some with. And look at how beautiful these turned out. Super, super cute. Love them to death. These 3 down here are not top coated. Those 5 are. And here is the peacock, which is not top coated yet. I have got 2 nails here that I want to do before you, and we are going to add some decals when we're done. So, if you remember correctly, I'm going to link, up here in the corner, I'll link my video where I did the cell transformation. Just in case you want to go back and watch that, or haven't watched it already. But you apply a top coat. Let me put them on both. A little bit too much there. There we go. Oh, I need my other palette. Get you another palette so you can put you a dollop of top coat. So you need that to do the cell transformation. We are going to use, let's try the pink and the red. Now, give them a little shake because the ink does settle. So, wipe both sides of your brush off. Put your dollop here and there. Now we are trying the pink and the red together, which is what I did here. I have got an ombre brush. But we're going to let these sit for just a minute, let them spread out, because that's what you do. You let them start to spread out. You can kind of manipulate them depending on which direction you hold your nail. That's what I'm going to try to do here. I'm going to try to let them run. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do so and click the bell, and don't forget to click the all button. That way you get notified of all future videos. I upload 3 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Tuesday is my acrylic series that I'm doing where I'm still learning acrylics. I don't think that's something you ever quit. There's so much to learn in my opinion. And Thursday's a crapshoot. Thursday could be anything. Look how beautiful that looks. Let me dab over here, dab, dab, dab. So now we're going to get, where's my dotting tool? Grab any size dotting tool that you want. I've got my itty bitty out, which I wish I had a bigger one. And drop you a dollop of top coat. And as you'll see before you, it starts to change. Let's see if I can hold it up. See how the cells transform and they start to spread? I think that is so super cool. So I'm going to pop that one in the lamp for 30. Here, let's do, let me see, what do I got? What do I got? Do some red. What colors did I just do? Red and pink? Let's do the red and the blue together. Or maybe the orange. Red and orange. With a dollop of blue. So wipe your brush off real well. You can do as many colors as you'd like. Just don't go overboard. And they will start to spread, as you see. So we're going to let them spread for just a minute here. Please go visit SheModern. They are also here on YouTube, which is just beautiful. You can watch her demo videos. I do have a paper towel here for when my brush gets too saturated. And I just dab, dab, dab. Dab, dab, dab. And just wipe it off. That way you're not too much ink here. You don't want too much. You want it to be able to spread. Dab, dab, dab. Okay, let me wipe my brush off. I will clean this with alcohol when I am done. And we're going to go with our dotting tool. Gonna get these bad boys some cells going. As you can see, I'm a messy girl. So maybe when you use these, you should wear some gloves. I think this is really super cool. I love playing with the gel inks. You can watch them transform before your eyes. Super, super cool. So we're going to pop those in the lamp. I'm going to put these up here, put my dotting tool away. And my ombre brush, I'm going to get some isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to spray the paper towel here. And you can just wipe it back and forth. Or you can take your paper towel and do one of these. And you're all done. So now I'm going to get my trusty little water bottle out, and I'm going to, here are the decals I have out before you, 2 flip-flops and 2 little ornamental decals. Let me clean up my palette here. And we are going to saturate our decals. You put your water bubble on it, but you make sure you want to dab it with your finger or something so that the backing gets wet and not stuck to your finger. Just dab them. Dab, dab, dab. That way the whole decal is saturated. You want to make sure the backing gets wet so that they separate. Alrighty. We're missing a decal. Oh my gosh. We're missing a flip-flop. Here it is. They're 2 together. My goodness. Be careful of that. So we're going to let those sit for just a minute. How pretty are those? I think they're just beautiful. These I have top coated already, I think I told you. I'm not adding any decals to these. I just want to show you the creations that I did before when I was playing. Great, great products. You can get them on Amazon for $44.95. Sorry, I'm getting parched from all the talking. Once our decals are ready, we are going to be applying those with Ice Cube Stamper from Maniology. If you check down in my description box, it lists the links to the companies that I am an ambassador for, along with the discount codes. You will find a code for Maniology. Don't forget to check out my acrylic series. I am an ambassador for the Nail Junkie, where you can save yourself 20% off. So let me check these. Most of these are ready to go. I just don't know where I want to put what. Some will have decals, some won't. So I've only got, say, 3 sets here, and there's 5 nails, so I don't know what I want to put where. This I want to do the flip-flops, I think. Slide your backing off if it comes with it. It's no big deal. Dab yourself off on something lint-free. Dab off the water. Oh my goodness, I forgot to add, shoot, the glue gel by SheModern to make the decals stick, which these are a little sticky, but not enough in my opinion. So we're just going to add a quick layer of this, put her in the lamp, and what other nails should I do? This one here is the peacock. So we're going to use that one and one other. Use this one here. Put you a nice thin layer. You don't need a lot. It doesn't have to be thick. Put those in for 30 to 60 seconds. Let those cure, and we will be able to apply our decals. So let me slide those. I think this one here reminds me of fruit slices. I think they're cute. I love how these turned out. You can get these off on SheModern for $15 a piece. I do not have a discount code because there aren't any. But you could go that route, $15 a piece. You could go to Amazon and get these 5 of them for $44.95. And there are just so many possibilities. They're great products. I love playing with them. I only have 5 so far. There are 9 total. Those will be coming to me shortly. They're on my radar. And I did win Sassy's giveaway the other day, and I got a gift card. And I think that's what I'm gonna buy. So now, let me re-wet this just a little bit. Dab her off. Dab her off. We're gonna get our other one, slide the backing off. But get it off my finger now. Dab off your stamper. Place those next to each other here and go over with your silicone tool. Spread them out. Make sure there is no water or air bubbles. And look at how cute that looks. I think that is like super, super cute. Let me get this one here. Seems the backing's coming off with all of them. Trying to figure out which way I want this. Go over it, go from the inside out. And there you go. Look how beautiful that is. One more and we shall top coat. I think I am gonna, well, I didn't do that one, did I? There we go. Decals are all applied. There we go. What do you think? I think these are super cute. Love how they turned out. I'm taking my top coat by, it says new, and it's the steel top coat by Modelones. So we're going to top coat our babies here and pop them in the oven for a full cure. Give them a nice thick glossy top coat. You can use these on any shape nail. You do want, and you didn't see me do this, you do want to apply, I applied my base coat. I applied 2 layers or 2 coats of white polish. And that's what you want to do first, is apply 2 coats of white. That's what Tina said works best. And then put your top coat on again. And start in with your gel inks. It's an easy process. So here we are all top coated, ready for the lamp, oven, the cooker. So I've popped those in and we will be right back. Fresh out of the lamp, here are our 2 sets of nails. And I'm thirsty again. Sorry about that. This one does have a decal, it has a set of lips. I think these are super cute how they turned out. I have to touch everything, it's like an OCD thing for me. So leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. I think these are absolutely stunning. Love, love, love. You can either go through, maybe I'll do that next time so I won't tell you, so forget that idea. Next time I play with them, I got a brand new idea. I think these turned out really nice. So leave me your thoughts below down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you next time. Have a blessed day. Thank you.